there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to crochet this quarter granny square. Also you can call it a triangle granny square. We can use this to fill in the gaps on the edges of our granny square blankets. If you sew them in diagonal, you will need this in each corner, or you can use them like this to form different color granny squares or 3/4 or halves. It's up to you. So let's get started. We're going to begin with a magic ring, and then into the magic ring we will first chain 4. That counts as a double crochet plus 1 chain, and then make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, and now we make another double crochet. And these gaps here on either side are the, let's say, half corners of a granny square. We are crocheting a quarter square, so we need to make a partial corner, so to say. Now pick up the yarn tail and pull it to close the magic ring, and this is your first row. Now we're gonna crochet over our yarn tail so we don't have to weave it in. Start round 2 by chaining 4. Again, that counts as a double crochet plus 1 chain, and then into that chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet. And remember, we're crocheting over our ends, so put the end over the hook and then make your 3 double crochet. Now I'm gonna weave in my end under the stitches so I don't have to deal with it later. That's the easy way to do it. And we're gonna bring this tail to the next gap where we're gonna crochet in. So into that chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet. Then chain 1, and we're gonna form that partial corner by making a double crochet in the top chain, in a chain 3 of chain 4 you made at the beginning. So if you remember, you made a chain 4, into that third one make a double crochet, and again don't forget to crochet over your end. And now we are done with that end. We can cut it off and don't have to deal with it later. And this is your second row. Round 3 starts by turning and chaining 4. Again, this counts as 1 double crochet plus 1 chain. Then into that chain 1 space, we're gonna make 3 double crochet. Then into the space between the clusters below, this is not a chain space, it's just a space between these clusters of 3 double crochet. We're gonna make 3 double crochet again. Move into the chain 1 space at the end and make 3 double crochet. Then chain 1, and again into the third chain of the chain 4 you made in the previous row, make a double crochet. and this is your third row. Row 4 is your repeat row, so if you want to make the triangle bigger, repeat row 4 as many times as you like. Now let's start with a chain 4 again, and into that chain 1 space make 3 double crochet. Then we will make 3 double crochet in every space between clusters. So that's not a chain space, it's just these gaps between the clusters of 3 double crochet. In each of them make 3 double crochet. And this is how you repeat the pattern further. You just make these 3 double crochet in every space. On the next row you'll have 3 and then 4 and 5 and so on. But this is the formula, the row that you should repeat. Once you crocheted in all those gaps, we're gonna reach the chain 1 space at the beginning, make 3 double crochet in there as well, and then we will chain 1 to form that half corner, if you like, into the third chain of the chain 4. And this is the fourth row. Now if you came to this video through the sunflower blanket, the triangles used there have 5 rows, so I'll be crocheting the 5th row, and I'll speed it up. You can slow it down if you like, but for the rest of you who just want to learn how to make this granny triangle or granny quarter, then this is the row to repeat. So I'll be making this 5th row fast, speed up, or slow down if you like. And this is your 5th row. And if you're doing if you're making the sunflower blanket, this is where you stop and fasten off. And don't forget, you can leave a long tail that you can use to sew these quarter granny squares to the rest of the motifs. And this is how you crochet the quarter granny square and turn it into a triangle the size you like. If you have any questions about this pattern, leave them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Happy crocheting!